B. Chinese medicinal medicine.
Our objective is to raise the awareness of the public to demonstrate the role of Chinese medicine in healthcare and disease problem and to develop public interest and understanding.
There are two parts of the life. The activities involved, which contain several different types of Chinese herbs, come together to create of family lives. Second, the plastic revolution model, which it can let students to have hands-on practice to know and understand better about the body exercise and their action functions. By avoiding antibodies can help to improve the conditions of some chronic disease, which is high blood pressure, depression, and insomnia. Herbal stand up as a counterpoint for addressing pain, digestive issues, and flu-like symptoms. Usually, acupoint of longevity helps stimulate and strengthen the digestive system. It also helps to replenish the blood and healing energy and boosting immunity.
Materials used for our project are various types of Chinese herbs like tangerine peel, goji berries, astragalus, honeysuckle flower, malaysia, African kernel, and many more. Acrylic acrylics are used to build the display box. Plasticine is used to make an island from some trees, caracas, water beds, agricultural needle, like this one, and LED light, the display box inside, and some papers, and many more.
Conclusion: the project can cultivate greater understanding and interest in the field of traditional Chinese medicine through knowledge and education, educate and raise public awareness on healthy dietary habits, of the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, and advocate the philosophy